How to make money by selling digital products on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money by selling printable party favor tags on Etsy. So let's get started by showing you some examples of the product that you will be selling. Then I'm going to introduce you to a spying tool that is going to help you when it comes to confirming if this is really a winning product or not, and also it's going to help you in the future when it comes to finding other winning products, and also when it comes to spying on your competitors or spying on the other shops to see the products that are making them the most amount of money, and also to see the products that are not making them money in order to avoid them. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own digital products without even creating them from scratch, just by using what was already been created and adding your touch, changing a little bit of those templates. Then you will have your own product ready to be sold. So let's start by showing you some examples of the product that you will be selling. And here let's type the name printable party favor tags, click on search, and let's give it a few seconds to load. It will take a little bit of time in order to load, because here we are seeing now just the products that are sponsored by Etsy. We want to see the ones that are popular now and the ones that are mostly bought by the clients or by the visitors of this platform. So just give it from 2 to 1 minute and a half to complete loading, and you will be able to see the products that are popular now and the products that deserve to be on the first line. And here, as I said guys, it is switched, and we have now the products that deserve to be in the first line. So you can just choose one of these in order to check. So I'm going to choose, I guess, this one here. So let's choose this one here, which is Etsy's pick. Editable tags instant download, and let's give it a few seconds to complete loading as well. Then let's take the name of the shop. That's what we need in order to spy on this shop. And let's go to open a new tab, and here let's type Everbee, which is the name of the spying tool that we are going to use in order to see if this is really a winning product, and also in order to see this shop's other products, and also the insights, the data, and how many sales they have made over. And also we are going to see how many sales they have made in the amount of time that they spent creating this shop. So here let's wait for it to load, and we are going to use this tool which is called the shop analyzer. You can also use the product analytics if you want to see the insights or the data of a specific product directly, but for me I prefer to use the shop analyzer, because using this will give me a lot of options in regarding the products, because seeing the shop, seeing the products that they are working on, and seeing their niche is better than seeing just one or two products separated. So here let's go to the shop analyzer. That's the tool we are going to use. Here let's type the name of the shop in the search and click on search shop, and let's give it a few seconds to load, and then we will be able to see the insights and the data we want to see in order to decide if we are going to go for this product or we are going to choose another one. So here you have all of the insights that you will need. So this shop has more than 3,000 products listed on the shop, and if you go to the right, you'll be able to see the shop's age, 97 months this shop was created, and these are the total shop sales. So they have made more than 200 230,000 sales over 97 months. And if you can just multiply this number by 4 or 5, you will see that these people are making a lot of money with only digital products. As you can notice in here, we have only boy baby shower invitation, a boy baby shower welcome, so it's only digital products. Wildflower birthday invitation, so we need to find the editable tags instant download, which is this one here. So let's click on this product to see the data and the insights of it. So here, this product was listed 19 months ago, and these are the amount of reviews. Even though we can't see the monthly sales or the monthly revenue or the total sales, just by being able to see the reviews, you will be able to guess the amount of sales monthly and also total sales of this product just by seeing the reviews, because half of the people that buy the product leave a review. That means we can just do the math. 122 times 2 gives us 244 sales in total, and the reviews per month, 6 times 2 gives us 12. So that means 12 sales per month. And if you can multiply 7 by 12, it will give you the amount of money that this product is making this shop every month. And based on that, this product is a winning for me, because if you can just make 3 sales with a digital product, that is a passive income, and that is a winning product. Because in digital products, you will just need to create the product, list it on your shop, and forget about it. It will always make money for you without even having to consider running out of stock like physical products, or going through the troubles of refunding or returns, because none of that is available on digital products. So let's go to canva.com, where you will be able to create a product like that for your own shop. So here, let's type canva.com, and let's give it a few seconds to load. And you'll just go to the search and type the name of the product that you want to create. Here, let's type the name, Printable Party Favor Tags, and it will give us a lot of examples or a lot of templates that you can just change, add your touch, and you will have your own product ready to be sold on Etsy. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.